Today's video is going to be about the future be going to, which is used to talk about plans and predictions. So let's start with the grammar structure. In order to make affirmative sentences, we have to use subject plus the verb to be conjugated in present, am, is, are, plus going to, plus verb plus complement. For example, if I say I am going to, and a verb, buy souvenirs. But if my subject is he is going to travel to Canada. But if I say they are not going to eat out. Now, if I want to make negative sentences, what I have to do is to place not after am, is, are. For example, I am not going to buy souvenirs. Or she is not, or the contraction isn't going to travel to USA. Or if my subject is you are not, or the contraction aren't, going to eat out. Now, if I want to make a question, remember that the subject and the verb to be, they are going to switch places. Affirmative, I say I am. But if I want to make a question, I start with am, is, are, and then the subject. And then going to, and then the verb. For example, if I want to make a question, I can say, are you going to travel let's say at Christmas? Are you going to travel at Christmas? If the question starts with is, or are, I have to answer yes or no. So in this case, yes, I am, or no, I am not. Now, if I want to make a WH question, I have to place the WH at the beginning of the question. Where, who, but the rest of the structure is not going to change. For example, I can say, where are you going to, in a verb, where are you going to be this weekend? So I have to answer where, the place where I am going to stay. So I am going to be at home. Okay, now when I have to use be going to, so let's see some examples. We use be going to plus infinitive to talk about future plans or intentions. For example, I'm going to give a talk in a conference. That is a plan. Or he's going to pick me up from the airport, as you can see in the image. It is a plan. But a second use, we also use be going to plus infinitive to make a prediction when we know or can see that something is going to happen. For example, in this image, I can see that there are some gray clouds. So I can make a prediction for what I see in the present. So it's going to rain tonight. It's a prediction. Finally, let's see some time expressions that we can use in the future. For example, tomorrow. Today is August 16th. I am going to go swimming tomorrow. It means here. Or next week. Today is the 9th day of the month. We are going to go on holidays next month. We can also mention the day that we are going to do that activity. For example, today, Monday. But let's say today is Monday. They are going to go surfing on Thursday. Here we have two other examples. The school finishes at 17 or 5. He's going to play football after school. Or they are going to go water skiing at the weekend. It means on Saturday and Sunday. So, summing up the time expressions, we use them to describe future plans and intentions. Tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, next week, next month, next year, or on plus the day of the week. Thank you.